How can I delete call history on Uconnect?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to delete call history on Uconnect. If you're looking to clear your call log and maintain your privacy, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
Accessing the call history menu.
To begin, we need to access the call history menu on your Uconnect system. Start by pressing the phone button on your Uconnect control panel. This will take you to the phone menu, where you can manage your call settings.
Navigating the call history menu.
Once you're in the phone menu, you'll see several options. Look for the call history option and select it. This will take you to the call history screen, where you can view your recent calls.
Deleting individual call records.
If you want to delete a specific call record, highlight the entry you wish to remove from the call history. Then, press and hold the Select button, which is usually represented by a check mark or a circle icon, for a few seconds. A context menu will appear with various options.
Confirming deletion.
From the context menu, you'll see an option to delete the selected call record. Navigate to the Delete option using the arrow keys or the control knob, and then press the Select button to confirm the deletion. This will remove the chosen call record from your call history.
Clearing the entire call history.
If you prefer to delete the entire call history at once, return to the call history screen by pressing the Back or Return button. Then, locate the Options or Menu button, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, and select it.
Selecting the Clear Call History option.
In the Options menu, look for an option that says Clear Call History or something similar. Once you find it, go ahead and select that option.
Confirming the clearing of call history.
After selecting the Clear Call History option, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your choice. This is to prevent accidental deletions. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of the entire call history. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete call history on Uconnect. Whether you prefer deleting individual call records or clearing the entire history, you now have the tools to maintain your privacy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.